Well, hello guys, this is Mike from Nitro Speed. Hope everyone's doing well tonight. I'm starting off with a Pontiac Gto. This one I really hardly ever bring out, but I thought I'm going to clean this up and bring it out. So, starting off with the Pontiac Gto. I got a few in here I never bring out. Probably 3. 2 of them Mike Tyson sent me, and it's the first time I've used these in a video, and I'm sure he knows by now, but he'll know after after this next one. Alright guys, next one. Okay, Mike, there we go, bud. The bone shaker he sent me. 50th anniversary. I'm glad I have this one. I thank you, Mike Tyson, so much for sending me these 3 from the 50th collection. I have 4 out of the collection now, and I only had 1. And thanks again, Mike. This is a great looking bone shaker. I love it. Alright guys, next side, next one. Got a little swig of Gatorade real quick, guys. Alright guys, next one. Uh-oh, whoop, there we go, that's good. Chevy Impala. Another 50th anniversary, one Mike sent me. I'm only going to show 2 tonight. Probably most likely do this 3rd one tomorrow with the other 50th anniversary that I have. And I love the Chevy Impalas. Now the next one is a famous Chevy Impala. You'll see. Anyway, this is a great looking Chevy Impala, lowrider style. Which I'm not real big on lowriders. Alright guys, one more full time around the driver's side. We'll go to the next one. And yes, this video is brought to you by Jay Leno's Garage Quick Detailer. There she is. Alright guys, next one. Next side, you'll see why this is a famous one. Yep, you guessed it. Cheech's Chevy Impala from the movie Up in Smoke. And yeah, Up in Smoke, alright. Well, the old Beatles song, and even Joe Cocker even did the version. I get high with a little help from my friends. I like Joe Cocker's version from Woodstock, August 1969 better, because, I don't know, I love that version. But yeah, you could say this is a famous car. Famous movie car. Now, if you know your movies, you know this car. I bought this online as customized. I love it. Absolutely love it. Alright guys, next side. We'll go to the next one. Alright guys, next one. I wanted to do the Chevy Impalas back to back. Next one, 69 Dodge Charger Hot Wheels Race Team. I don't bring this one out much, so I really wanted to bring this out and clean it up a little bit and show a little airtime here. Next one's pretty nice as well coming up. But I love this Dodge Charger. I love my Dodge Chargers as well. I mean, there's so many different muscle cars I love. And by the way, I just saw a mid-60s Plymouth Belvedere right in front of me. And that was a pretty sweet looking car. His body looked really good. The body shape, everything looked really good on that car. It's like a brick red color. It was pretty nice though. Good to see one of those. You don't see too many of those around anymore. Alright guys, next one. Okay guys, 68 Dodge Dart. I don't bring this one out much, but I do love the red. It's like a fire engine red color with the black and red stripes on it. Looks like the stripes are messed up there in the rear. Yep, sure is. As you can look right below the Dodge on the black stripe, on the next side you'll see it's not very well. As you can see right there, right below the Dodge, yeah, it's been that way since I got it. But that's alright, I still like this Dodge Dart. Alright guys, driver's side, next one. Really like these Dodge Darts, I love them. They're such great cars. Alright guys, next one. 67 Shelby Gt 500 Mustang. Now I have both the more like a candy apple red and this blue one. Metallic blue with yellow and white flames. Yellow and white flames, and yeah, really nice looking. It's got the yellow and white up around the rims, yellow in the front, white in the back, and this is a great casting. I love these Mustangs. Such great looking castings, or great looking cars. Hope you enjoyed this video guys. Please smash that thumbs up, comment down below, and please subscribe guys. And I hope you enjoyed this video. At the end, let me know which one was your favorite. Okay, next side guys, we're going to go to the next one. We got 4 left. Looks like we'll probably go about 13 or 14 minutes. Alright guys, next one. Plymouth Roadrunner. 1970. I'm going to have to get this over a little bit. Yeah, there we go. I love this orange one. I have a yellow one just like it. I have several actually in this. A green. And one's like a dark brownish red color with flames. Oh, Henry. And then I also have a Spectra Flame Blue in there. I have a lot of Roadrunners in my collection, that's for sure. I have, what, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12? Yeah, 12 Roadrunners in my collection. Yeah, this one's great, though. I love the orange. Okay, guys, next side, next one. Gonna like this next one. Okay, guys, next one. Next one's a 92 Ford Mustang, and it's a fox body style with real riders. Yeah, this one's great. 5.0. Different color from what you see on the screen. It's like a evergreen or something like that. Pretty close, but it is great looking casting. Glad I have this one in my collection. Really like a real nice tampo work all the way around. A real nice looking casting. Really like this fox body style Mustang 92. I can remember back in the day, my friend I think had an 84, 85, 5.0. Didn't look like this though, but his was really nice and was very fast. But this is really nice casting. Alright guys, next side, next one. We have two left. Alright guys, next one. '68 Hemi Barracuda. There we go, guys. Now the real riders castings. Last one of the Hot Wheels. Next one's going to be a Johnny Lightning. It's also a Hemi Barracuda. But this one's very, very popular. It's legendary, let's just put it that way. That's a great looking casting. I love this black one. Alright guys, next one. And the last one for the night. You guessed it. Hemi Underglass. Hemi Barracuda. Very famous wheel stander. And you can see in the back window the engine's in the back. That's why they call it Hemi Underglass. And it's, like I said, very famous in the NHRA circuit, late 60s, early 70s, big time wheel stander. And I'm going to start bringing out some famous funny cars next. So if I can remember, I'm going to do these one funny car a night, famous funny cars that I have. I think you'll like what I have, and I bought these because I watched every one of these race back in the day, especially this one. Remember the Jolly Rancher fire engine, which was really awesome as well. Did wheel standers, and I got 4 pictures from start to finish, and I mean, it looks like a car still, and you can just see it, just a blur, and it was going so fast. Really a nice looking pictures I took with a 35mm back in probably about 86, 87. Alright guys, that's going to do it for the night. I'm going to give the guys a break. And guys, take care of yourselves, be good to each other, be well. And I will see you guys in the next video. And once again, this video is brought to you by Jay Leno's Garage Quick Detailer. Like I said, all my cars are cleaned, polished, and buffed. Look like a showroom finish. And I'm glad I have this one, because this is really worth the money. 10 bucks, but it's worth it. Alright guys, that's gonna do it. Back this up. And we'll finish right here. once again, you guys take care of yourselves, be good to each other, be well, and I will see you guys in the next video. Adios, amigos. Buenas noches.